All right, so where we eating at, boo?
Early Bird Vegan in Tempe, Arizona. But you know it's still hot out here. Phoenix, Tempe, y'all. Keep the heat going out here, I see. But
10 o'clock and it's 100 degrees.
but it's a beautiful city though. Just hot. I got steak and eggs, vegan steak and eggs, tacos. Right there. There you go. It's pretty good right there. Yeah, mac and cheese also.
Pancakes, hash brown, veggie sausage. I have to get a side of mac and cheese because I always love trying everybody's vegan mac and cheese to see how it tastes.
Try these tacos.
That mac and cheese is good.
You try the mac and cheese. That's one of the best mac and cheese I've had. Yeah.
Agave.
Got syrup on them.
This agave.
Oh, agave?
Well, I can't try yours now. You just put hot sauce all over. So forget it.
Try the hot sauce.
No, I'm good.
No, try this one here.
No, I'm good.
Okay. Well, you have to try it.
Not with the hot sauce on it, I'm not. You just ruined it. It's lemonade. I'm trying to figure out what's in it. Definitely ginger.
Maybe some oranges. 'Cause it's kind of orange.
Maybe.
I never seen lemonade that orange. So maybe some oranges and maybe some mango. I don't know.
It's good. Whatever it is.
Not sure.
Those pancakes are really good. So food is done. It was good. It wasn't what I ordered.
It was very good as well. Street tacos. I ate 6 of them. You know, street tacos are kind of small, but what was in them was good. If you're in the Phoenix area, come to Early Bird Vegan. If you live here, come here. If you don't live here, pass them by. Take a detour in and get you some good food.
Just bring a fan with